Hello guys, good evening. We are here now at the food festival at Naval. There's a lot of food here.
Money.
Potato.
What?
Potato.
Potato. I can't tell what it is. Oh, that's potato?
Yeah, that's potato.
Oh, they got drinks.
Coffee drink.
Yeah, well, they got a habit of just hanging out in front of the store. And look, when you get up there, see what you want. You order it.
Naman.
Out of the way.
Nana mo dito yung likurangan.
Nakasad di table na wala ka dito. Saan to pa? Nato ha.
Ito man, may bayad. Hindi may bayad. Paano na magbayad dito? Hindi na ng bayad. Magkapita.
So, nala mo mga kansuran, kapit lang po.
Para makalingkod na.
Competitions for this evening. So, nala mo mga later mo, na Project C sa ato ang band. So, nala mo, chill na. Punto po niya mag-exclusive sa Kanlawon.
What do you want?
I want cheese dog. I want to see what a cheese dog is.
Cheese dog? Chicken.
More cheese dog.
Cheese dog?
Dog.
Where's cheese dog? Asa diri cheese dog niya?
I seen it right on the
Cheese dog.
menu.
Ah, this one, cheesy dog sandwich.
Yeah.
Cheese dog sandwich. Look here. Cheesy dog.
That's what I said I wanted, and you keep telling me no. Don't tell me no. I read it. That's why I stopped here.
How much? How many?
Just I want to see what it is first.
Dili ra siya mo tanaw sa
They're
cheesy dog
gonna mess it all up.
sandwich. Ha? Bun.
Yeah. Okay, but as long as there's no lettuce or any of that shit on it. Just, you know what I don't like? It says cheese dog. It doesn't say cheese and stupid sauce and lettuce.
Only
and,
cheese
and hot dog. Yeah.
kuan kanang pwede ra siya kanang cheese of hot dog lang ang ibutang.
Cheese at hotdog na?
Cheese of hot dog lang. Wala. So, order.
Huh?
Cheese lang daw.
Just mustard and mayo.
What?
Mustard?
Yes.
Mustard.
Okay.
Dili miyo te.
Okay, mustard only.
Mustard only?
Banana with ketchup,
Yeah.
banana ketchup.
Cheese and mustard. Oh, banana ketchup? No. No, just mustard.
Yes, mustard.
Mustard. Duha ka order? Oh? Duha ka order.
Sounds pretty Americanized to me.
We don't have the hot
dog bun, so I can use the burger bun.
Yeah, you can use that.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
It's close. Tastes the same. It's the same stuff.
They were sitting table there, so we will bring over there.
So at this point, musuloy na
We will
atong
bring
mga
our
judges,
food there.
magsugod na pa-judge sa atong mga food stalls. So dihan yung atong mga food stalls nga mag-andam na sa M3, official M3 nga ilan disubmit. Where ay food prepared na makita nila na naay gagmay nga para sa tasting. Okay, so katong mga nagsunod na diri sa left side sa stage, kung makita ninyo yung stage. So left side, nagsunod na atong judge. Malibot na siya, malibot diri sa right side. Okay?
Sa ang mga OPM music contestants. Music